Pt.2, and today we're going to be replacing the studs, and me and my brother traded tires, so we're going to be changing these out today. And yeah, so there was nothing wrong with this hub or anything, so we're just putting this tire on. All the front tires back on, all the studs are good. Now she got to jack the back up, get the tires off, change studs. All the back tires back on, we got all the studs changed out. And yeah, I think it's gonna be the end of the video. Go check out my brother's channel, Avery Leap Trot. And yeah, just like, subscribe, and see y'all in part 3.